We're here on Offsite Dirt. I'm your host, Audrey Grubesic.
And I'm Kent Anderson with Wesco International's Manufactured Structures Group. Hey, it's great to be with you.
It's super exciting, and we're talking about off-site construction today. Who do we have with us?
Hey, we've got Ken Freeman and Chip Brown from Legrand with us today. And we're super excited to have Legrand on the program with us and talking about off-site construction. Ken, would you mind taking just a couple of minutes to chat about what Legrand's commitment is to the off-site construction industry?
Absolutely. Hey, thanks for having me here today. Legrand is a global manufacturer of electrical infrastructure products. And being a global manufacturer, we've been able to follow the modular off-site construction, what was a trend and is now becoming a standard in the industry, starting in Europe many years ago. We're very excited to see that this is really starting to take off in North America. And we believe that by leveraging IoT and true modular infrastructure products, we can take what right now today is modular construction being basically built in a factory environment, just like it's being built out in the job site or in the field. And we believe in the future, we could take IoT and modular infrastructure solutions and hopefully even rewrite some of the electrical codes and the construction standards to make it more efficient and more effective in a truly modular environment.
I'll tell you, that is one of the super exciting things about our partnership with Legrand is the way that they think about things. And you know, I remember, I think I had a conversation with Ken. We probably had a conversation a couple of months ago, and we were talking about what's not been invented that needs to be invented, right? And thinking around those lines as we continue down this path in off-site construction. But Legrand has amazing products today, Audrey. They're a super large supplier for us, a great vendor to the market. And Chip, I know you are just itching to talk about some of the specific products that Legrand is bringing to the market today.
Yes, Kent, I appreciate it. You know, what's really nice about our product line is we've been selling these same products into the construction vertical for years. Moving to modular, it's no different. So we're taking a lot of our productivity offerings and really putting them into the modular vertical. You know, we have a collection of wiring devices that'll fit all types of buildings. We've got some very nice productivity devices that we call plugtail that allow some labor savings, being able to wire in a pigtail on the front end and then just snap that device in at trim out. So we found some nice opportunities there. We also offer raceway. We find raceway in some of these modular opportunities as well from our wire mold product line, and just a wide range of products that we already offer that fit nicely.
Absolutely. And Audrey, even though, you know, we really sort of touched on and we sort of maybe focus sometimes on the residential side of modular and off-site construction, but ultimately Legrand has products that reach deep into the commercial product line as well and really help take care of those industries. And we're seeing a lot of that off-site construction come into things like modular data centers and quick serve restaurants and just a ton of real great opportunities and a perfect opportunity for us to work with Legrand. And we really appreciate the opportunity to be on Offsite Dirt and just have a great conversation about them.
Yeah, and thank you so much for being innovative, and thank you for really thinking about the code and those systems to be able to progress and make this a better system. I think we're looking at ways to incorporate those different elements into buildings. We are seeing a big increase in the commercial and industrial part of offsite. So it's great to see a great partner out there that's making things and changing the way that we do and work in this industry.
Absolutely.
So thank you both for being here.
Thank you.
And now you know.
One more thing from Wesco.
Absolutely.
Thank you for being here on Offsite Dirt.